Collaboration is made easy on Upwork when you use the Message Center. With this feature, you can efficiently manage your project workflow. In this video, we'll show you how the Message Center lets you organize and manage discussions, communicate in real time with your client or freelancer, sync files, and share documentation. Before you get started, you're going to want to select which Upwork account you're working in here. Then, click the Message tab here to get to that account's Message Center. You'll find messages saved in Rooms. Rooms are conversations you have with at least one person. Make sure you're on the same page as your client or freelancer and click on their name to view your messages and respond to them about your project. If you'd like to view all messages in one place, click here, and then filter by Interviews, Rooms, or People. You can chat in real time or have the messages waiting for others when they log in. Chat about the scope of your project, get status updates, all while keeping everything in one place. Need to talk face-to-face? Click here to contact your clients or freelancers and host a video meeting. To attach a file to a message, click an existing message or click the New Message button. You can attach a file to upload or drag and drop into the text box. You can add up to 10 attachments for a total of 25 megabytes. To access and view an attached file in a message, click the message, then click the name of the document to download and open it. Clear communication is made easy when you use the Message Center on Upwork. Thanks for using Upwork. Watch the rest of our videos for other tips about collaborating on your projects.